tiny paws and whiskers twitch. The little kitten's got an itch. A playful pounce, a swatting spree. Meow, 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 so wild and free. Meow, meow, the family cries, chasing mice under moonlit skies, leaping high with joyful cheer. The cat clan's love is always clear. Mommy cat with eyes so wise, watching over her little guys. She curls her tail, a calm decree. Meow, 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 stay close to me. Meow, 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 the family cries, chasing mice under moonlit skies, leaping high with joyful cheer. The cat clan's love is always clear. Daddy cat so sleek, so proud, climbs the fence and calls aloud. He guards the clan beneath the tree. Meow, 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 stay safe with me. Through the alleys, through the night, they stick together, a purr